Hello, today we're going to make a PHP API with 000webhost.com. Before we get started, you'll need a computer, a Gmail account, and a Facebook account. Now you need a Facebook account only if you want to make a Facebook Messenger chatbot, otherwise you don't need it. But first, what is an API? An API enables communication between multiple programs. Suppose you're a company owner who made a Facebook Messenger chatbot, a website, and a mobile app for your company. Now, we want these three to output the same data. So what you can do is create an API that will handle all the data. And then these three apps will ask the API about the data. That way, they will all display the same data. Now, we can make a basic API. The first step is to register for a 000webhost account. So this is me going to 000webhost.com. Once we're here, we press Get Started. Sign up for free web hosting. Once that loads, go ahead and enter your email and the password. After that, press Sign Up. Once that's loaded, go ahead and check your email for a confirmation email and verify your email. Once we finish making the account, we need to create the website. After being redirected by the confirmation email, press Get Started. Press Other. If this pops up, press Skip. Then, type in your website name. Make it creative so that the chances of your name being available will be higher. Once you do that, press Submit. When you get here, select Upload your site. This will open up a new tab. Your previous tab will be a website list. Now that we have the website, we need to upload the code. Go to public_HTML and create a new file called index.php. After the file loads, double-click on index.php and paste in the code from the link above. When you paste the code, press Save and Close. We now have the API. We just need to check if it works. Go to your website list and open up the website. The text you see right now is data about the hypothetical order for dalgona and fries. You can process this text using programs created in JavaScript, Python, R, and many other languages. Now that we have a 000webhost account on a website, we can now make a Facebook Messenger chatbot. Step 1 is to make a Facebook page. I won't give details into this step, however, I will show you how I made my own Facebook page. Next, we make an API that Facebook can contact whenever our page receives a message. We do that by first logging into our 000webhost account. Once you log in, you have to manage the website you made a while ago, and then press Tools in File Manager. When you get there, press Upload Files. Double-click public_HTML like you did a while ago. Now that we have our file manager opened, we can create an API that Facebook can contact. Create a new file called api.php. Double-click api.php and paste in the code seen from the link above. Once you do that, press Save and Close as you did a while ago. We need the link to the API we created just now, so we go back to File Manager and click View Site, and then we add /api.php to the link. The third step would be to make the Facebook application. Now to do this, you need to create a developer account in developers.facebook.com. I will not show you how to do this, but you can do this on your own. Once you do this, log into your Facebook developer account. After that, click My Apps and then Create App. And then click More Options and something else. This is the part where we name our app and connect our page to it. Click Continue and then type in your app display name. Note that apps are not just made for chatbots, so I do not recommend ending your display name with the word bot. After naming your app, click Create App and fulfill the human verification. Now to create the chatbot, scroll down and look for Messenger and click Setup. Scroll down again and click Add or Remove Pages. A small tab like this will pop up. Click Continue as your name. Click the tab that corresponds to the page you made a while ago. Click Next and then Done. Our page is now connected to the app. Now to connect the app and API together, click Generate Token. Click I understand, copy, and then Done. This is necessary in order to let the API send messages to Facebook. Now you need to add the token to your API. First, open up your 000webhost account. Click Manage Website, Tools, File Manager, and Upload Files. Once again, open up the public_HTML folder. Open up the API.php file. You replace your bot token here with the bot token you copied a while ago. Click Save and Close. Now we need to enable Facebook to contact us to the API. Click Add Callback URL, and on the top box, paste in the API you made in step 2. On the second text box, type in your_verify_token and then click Verify and Save. Finally, you need to tell Facebook what information it should send our API. Click Add Subscription. Tick the box that corresponds to messages and click Save. If you did everything right, you will automatically get a response from the Facebook page you made a while ago whenever you message it. In this case, I say hi and the Facebook page says, "Hello customer, may I take your order?" Note that this response is only available to you. This is not available to your friends. Thank you for watching. These are some references that I made in order to help you create your API. And this is my reference.